So I went back on Temu, guys, and I got more purses. And I wanted to see if I could find something a little bit better than what we did last time. Because I was really upset when the strap completely broke on that Unlucky Charms bag. Yeah, like I really, really liked that purse. And I'm walking through the casino and it was like, snap. Oh well, but we're gonna do it again, and of course we're gonna rate them. We love the rate stuff. Do we like my kitty ears? Oh, my scrunchie. All right, we're gonna get started and play along with me. You tell me what you like and what you don't like, and see if your ratings go with my ratings. Let's get started. It's a big one. And of course I have one that I have to save for last. Okay. This is pretty. It's pretty. It's colorful. All right. And I am going to try to put the pictures up in the corner so you can see what they look like when I bought them. Oh, is this soft and delightful? Wait till you see it, guys. I mean, what girl doesn't need to look like she's carrying around a full-on Muppet? No, I'm just kidding. This is actually like really, if I remember, like really, really cute. And it is soft. You can't even feel it. How soft that is. Oh my goodness. Let's do a zipper check. What do we got inside? And guess what? It comes with a strap. Now, I'm not overly confident in these straps after what happened last time, but look how cute that is. All right, little side pocket and everything. All right, Temu. Little side pocket. Yeah, I like it. Very cute. So here's number one. It's fuzzy. Yeah, it has a gray and black and pink. Of course, you have to get pink. I mean, look, it matches my shirt, which is another Temu buy. God, I have a problem. Let's see. I don't want to know. I want to do that one. Okay, kitties. All my kitty lovers out there. I know you're out there. I have one. My number one fan is a big kitty lover. I hope she sees. Okay. Quality, not great, but look how cute it is. Look how cute it is. Look at the little paws. And it's a little black cat. Oh, look, decent strap. Totally adjustable. You know? I like it. All right. It's like a... You tell me what that... Why can't I think of it? Like a nylon? Yeah, I think that's right. Am I right? I don't know. Inside, it's just an inside. There's no like side pockets or anything, but oh, that's just gonna be hard. I really like my Muppet bag, but it's a kitty. I can't make them. I can't rate them right now, but cuteness factor, I'm gonna say, I don't know. I think I would carry kitty bag more than I would carry Muppet bag, but the Muppet bag is just so like out of control. I can't even deal. All right, let's see what we got next. Let's see. Oh my God, this morning I had the worst morning. I was putting my makeup on and I bought this like Kylie Jenner foundation, right? And it was brand new. And I've been telling you guys I'm trying all this new makeup. Not a big deal. I just don't put it on camera because I can barely see what I'm looking into right now without my glasses on. So I did it and I was putting it on and I dropped the bottle and there was foundation all over my floor, glass all over my floor. Ugh, so mad. I'm like, no.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
No. Oh my gosh. There's like $40 down the freaking drain. But this is not down the drain. Look at this bag. Okay. I think we found our number one for sure. Now this matches that shirt from the other day. I gotta go get that. I'll go get that in a little bit. Let's see if let's do the mermaid test, okay? Might have to set it down till I get it going. Okay, it does do the mermaid test. When you flip it upside down, the sequins upside down, they're just black. And we all know Jess likes her sequins. That is really cute. Look at this tote. I may have to pause you guys in a second. I think I may have a customer. But it has some like patent leather on the inside. I think we're good. Patent leather on like where the zipper is. Then nice gold hardware. Well, you know, Temu gold. And then the inside is just a basic nylon inside. A couple little side pockets, no zipper. And that's okay. But look how cute this is. I like the gold. They have the gold chains. That is a super cute tote. Editing Breezy here, guys. I was telling you about this bag and the shirt it goes with. Sorry, I'm a little bouncy. There's the shirt. Remember that one from the other day? It goes with the bag absolutely perfectly. Now back to the video. Okay. Rating time. You ready? Sequence number 1. Number 2 is hard. Kitty, just because I love kitties, number 2. And Muppet, number 3. Also, because of, as for functionality wise, right now at this time of the year, we're in May. Muppet bag, I would say that's more of a winter purse. Let me know in the comments if you agree. I think Muppet bag's more of a winter purse for sure. Sequence is all year. It never goes out of style, in my opinion. All right. Got a little bit of a mess here. Okay, now we're moving into a little bit more expensive and a little bit more breezy than what we've had. This is really breezy, but this might be a little bit better. I really got this taped. Hold on one second, guys. I got some customers.
One eternity later.
Yeah, you got busy there for a minute. All right, back to the purse. All right. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you guys have fun plans for the weekend. Okay, so this looks really cute in the package. Now, I was looking at the picture and I thought it came with like 2 or 3 different purses. So I'm hoping they're inside this. But that is really cute. Okay, can we absorb the sparkliness? Can you guys see it at all? But look at the detail work, the hardware. Oh my goodness. And the diamond on the front. Oh, hey now. I mean, I know I'm a little bougie, but okay, let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Okay, there it is. Yay. Okay, so inside this gorgeous little purse is another gorgeous little purse. I hope it's cute. People are like, what are you going to do with all these purses? I'm like, well, all the juicy ones I have out at work. Look how cute that is. I mean, now quality on these, they're almost like a little squishy, but they're so pretty. Like, of course, you're not going to Temu for like Louis Vuitton quality. Did you guys hear what's going on with Louis Vuitton? You need to Google that or look it up on YouTube. They are just, whoa. And I love it. And I'm like, wow, did I get scammed out of like thousands of dollars by Louis Vuitton? I don't know, because I've had fake ones and I've had real Louis Vuitton and I have real Louis Vuittons. And whoa. I don't spoil it. Y'all got to look it up. It's crazy. The CEO stepping down like schnauzer. So here's the inside of the little one. And you have an extra little chain, which is super cute. Okay. So this one, so this is a set and it's a sparkly little set. I think that's really cute. Nice size. I mean, I might even carry it. I can't carry this one because it totally is not going to fit anything I have. But this guy, I could and put the strap on it. Did it come with a strap? I think it might just be a satchel. Let's look. No, it has a chain. So that's really cute. Nice. It's a hard body, but okay. So rating wise, right now, I'm still going. This is number 1. And this is, it's like, it's loud, it's obnoxious, it's so me. So I think I'm gonna do this as number 1. I'm gonna go this is number 2 because it's sparkly as well. We're gonna do Kitty number 3 so far, and Muppet number 4. But we got one more, and this one might change the game, guys. I'm telling you. Man, I realize I got so many purses to go through. Okay, I hope I grabbed the right package. Okay, so here it is. I haven't even opened the seal yet on it. A lot of the Temu, I have to at least break the bag to make, because I have so much of it, so I can make a video, but I try not to look at it, you know. So like, okay, I remember that it comes with that, and here I go yapping again. You're going to click off. Okay, so we have a cute box. Okay, this is it. This is good. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's the thing, like punctuality too. When you rate these purses, like, are you going to really carry it, or are you going to? Is it too fancy? Like, this is a little fancy, but it is. Stop it! It just something this didn't fall. Yeah, it did. Quality check. Diamonds are falling off already. So there you go. 2 of them at that. Okay. But it's stunning. I mean, look at that. That is really cute. And it's just a clutch. I'm going to guarantee if I open, there's a diamond encrusted on there. I'm going to guarantee you when I open this up, there's not going to be a strap. There is. I don't know what to say. Holy schmoly. There's a strap. I thought this was like a total clutch. Okay, so you could carry it like this. Oh, how cute. Okay, my shame. I mean, it lost a couple diamonds, but what doesn't when you get it from Temu? Even stuff I make myself with bedazzle, I lose diamonds. Okay, so here we go. Final rating, guys. And this is probably even tougher than when I did the Juicy bags and the Steve Madden. Okay, so here's how I'm going to do it. Everyday functionality. I don't go anywhere but work and out at night to get dinner. Okay, so functionality-wise, I'm going to keep this as number 1 because this is something I could probably carry. And, yeah, okay. The patent leather, the peacock colors, totally me. So I'm going to keep that as number 1. I'm stuck. You didn't have a glitch. This is number 2 because, of course, we all know I love my peacocks. This is number 2. It's not as functional, but if I feel like being a little extra, totally. Number 3, I'm going to give it to the cat because it's more functional. And if you should like bet every time I say functional on this channel because it's like way too much. The cat, because I can use it more and it's super cute. Okay, so that was 3. 4. This is so cute. It's sparkly. Sorry, I'm getting sick again. It's sparkly, not as sparkly as they were showing in the picture, but it's beautiful. The coloring is really pretty. And then number 4, if it wasn't for it being like May, it's gonna be May, the Muppet would have landed probably a little higher up. Like, let me know in the comments if you would like carry this around now. I'm hot looking at it. It's like 92 degrees today. So, well, that's it. And I hope you guys' ratings might be a little like mine. I can't talk. Can I ever talk when I make a video? Or something like mine. But if not, I want to hear because everyone is so different and everyone has different tastes. So, like, these are all like so cute. Like, they're all just so cute. So, thank you guys for watching. Let me know. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share us out to the world. I would appreciate it so much, best friends. Totally. Thank you. And you guys, enjoy your weekend. I'll see you Monday. We don't know what we're doing, but we'll see you Monday. Thank you. Yeah, bye.